Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so ready to start our today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
What we did in our last class? Chapter number 2, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yesterday we did chapter 2, right? Now today let us move to the chapter number 3.
Then chapter number
3,
Ma'am,
beta. Chapter number
3.
Happy beta. Now first question, where do we get silk from? Where do we get silk from? Everyone has to answer, or else I will skip this chapter also. Where do we get silk from?
We get milk from milkman. Silk from we get milk from. Ma'am, we get silk from cocoon of silkworm. Of silkworm.
Silk from cocoon of silkworm. We get silk from cocoon of silkworm. Next, where do we get honey from?
We get honey. We get honey from the beehive. Bee.
We get honey from beehive of honeybee.
ऐसे ऐसे सब्जेक्ट पे ముందు ఫస్ట్ గా నాకిస్తే నేను రాయనా ఎంతసేపు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వడానికి ముందే రెడీగా ఉండాలి నువ్వు అన్ని బుక్స్ పెట్ట ముందు క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయితే
Please mute yourself. We get honey from beehive of honeybee. Then third one, how should we wash our clothes?
We should wash our clothes with detergent. We should wash our clothes with water, soap and detergent.
Fiona, please turn off your camera. We should wash our clothes with detergent and care. Right? We should also have the care to wash the clothes. So we can write, we should wash our clothes.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नहीं दिख रहा है, ब्लर दिख रहा है।
Chalo, everyone write this.
Ma'am, I done. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, done. Mile Gajja. Ma'am, not done.
Yes, I read.
मैम ये मैं किसमें लिखना है? मैम डन. मैम पर मैम मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. नो मैम मेरा बाकी था. मैम मैं डन. मैम आप PDF भेजोगे?
No, I will not sell PDF. Good. Question number 4. Why do we use mothballs while storing clothes? Very good. To keep them safe from insects.
मैम रीजन वर्कशीट में करवा रहे हो? मैम बोर्ड में है ना फ्लैश पड़ रहा है.
Yes, that is a projector. There is no solution of that. I'm speaking the question. Please note.
मैम
To keep them safe from insects.
मैम आपने जो फोर्थ वन में टू कीप देम उसके बाद क्या लिखा है? वो लाइट आ रही है
From insects. Sorry?
मैम व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन 3?
We will solve it. What?
मैम मैम हिम की बात क्या है?
Them safe from insects. I'm not supposed to speak it for the 30 times. Repeating for the last time, to keep them safe from insects. Now next, how should your silk and woolen clothes be stored? And we should store it in the cotton bag, right? Our mama stored sarees in the bag, no?
We should store in what?
Yes, we should store it in cotton bag.
फर्स्ट वन में फर्स्ट पढ़ना भूल गया. मैम थोड़ा राइट साइड करो ना.
We should store it in cotton bag.
ma'am.
Okay, name some people wearing the uniform. Which people wear uniform?
School student. Office people. Bank manager. Bank managers. Bank owner.
Student, policeman, doctor, postman. You can write here any name. It's not needed to write this code only. Seventh one. What did early man wear? And Cholo, answer me. What did early man wear? What did
Ma'am, I
early
not
man?
done one minute. Track suit.
Not track suit. early man के पास track suit है? Early man wears skin of animals and leaf of tree.
Ma'am, leaf of
चलो complete it.
done, ma'am.
No one will see.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, I will finish asking us by myself. So keep quiet and write at the right. Don't disturb others. Now let us move. Beanie, please turn off your camera, everyone. Shriya, please turn off your
Ma'am, my camera is off.
Everyone, please turn off your camera. किसी का आपको पर्सनली बोलना पड़ेगा. टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा. अथर्व
Ma'am, where?
ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर। हाँ अभी और ऊपर जाना, 1 नंबर, अभी भी जाना थोड़ा सा और। ओके चलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। I can't see the question. Name some synthetic clothes. Synthetic clothes are synthetic fiber. If you know the names of synthetic fiber.
Ma'am, nylon and nylon. Yes. Polyester, ma'am. Polyester. Nylon and tallinn. Polyester, ma'am. Polyester. Ma'am, polyester.
Rayon and nylon.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो।
मैम हम नायलॉन और टेरिलिन और कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं हम अपने से। ओके। Ma'am, my done. Ma'am, I also done.
What I said you for the one time. If your work is done, keep quiet, sit silently and read it. Don't speak my done, my remaining, my done, my remaining. Okay? Telling you for the last time. Now whoever will speak like this, I will remove them from the meeting. And then I will lock the meeting so that no one will able to join meeting again. Advocate. What is the costume of advocate? Advocate means lawyer. Yes. They wear black pant, black coat, black hat and white shirt. White shirt. Right? They wear advocate. Black pant, hat, and white shirt. Advocate wear black pant, hat, coat and white shirt. Then 10 number. What are the different types of dresses in India? What are the different types of dresses in India? Those dresses are
Monsoon.
not season, it's dresses. Chanya choli, sari, etc.
by Ansh Darji. Ma'am, Agla Patel also done. मैम क्वेश्चन 3 हमें अगर आता है तो हम अपने आप कर ले.
Yes, question 3 all of you have to do in homework.
नहीं not done.
Chalo, question number 3 all of you will do in homework. Then question 3, which is the correct answer? Which of the following is not a long filament fiber? Filament means वो long strand में नहीं मिलता. That is a cotton. Cotton is a short filament fiber. Then an example of man-made fiber. What will be the answer?
Nylon.
Good.
Nylon.
Then cotton wool is a blend of वो किसका mixture है?
Cotton and wool.
Fourth one, the process of interlacing two sets of yarn at right angles to make a fiber is called weaving. What?
Weaving. Weaving.
Fifth one, finishing is true. Please performance. That we do to improve appearance, feel, performance, and all of this. So all of this is done.
All of these. All of these.
Sure. Collecting fiber. We collect fiber from plants and animals.
Plants and animals. Twisting fiber. Twisting fiber.
And last,
Stitching the clothes. Man, pick the correct option. Fourth and fifth is not understanding.
फोर्थ में the process of interlacing the fiber. हम फाइबर जो होते हैं उनको interlace मतलब उसमें से फैब्रिक बनाते हैं. उस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? So that process is known as weaving.
सकते हैं.
What?
हम क्वेश्चन 4 में हम मैच कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
मैम क्या वीविंग? मैम फिफ्थ वन.
Beta, please mute yourself. Now, let us move to the GK. Yesterday we did 1 to 15, right? No. Sorry, 16 to 30. Sure. The biggest part of the brain is? Which is the biggest part of the brain?
Cerebrum. Cerebrum. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Smallest continent is Australia. Australia is also called an island continent. Then the smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Then the largest country in the world is subscriber identify module or subscriber identification module. Subscriber identify module or subscriber identification module. Then has no but only using the national anthem. जैसे हमारा national anthem कौन सा है? जन गण मन. We have words in our national country is not. This state has a high
Focusing.
Humor of the school, everyone speaks English. Who is the author of famous Harry Potter book series? Harry Potter series that is
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
That is a book. On the basis of book, we make the movie, and the author of that book is J.K. Rowling. Next, woman. First is our first president, and who is our first prime minister? Woman. Very good. Woman prime minister was Indira Gandhi.
Pratibha Patil.
Pratibha Patil is the president. Pratibha Patil was president, and Indira Gandhi was prime minister. Then who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Which city Hawa Mahal is located?
Jaipur.
Ma'am,
Jaipur.
Then
Jaipur.
the Ajanta and Ellora caves are located.
Maharashtra. Maharashtra.
In which city Ajanta is located? Mumbai के नजदीक एलिफेंटा, अजंता and Ellora. Then 51. What is the time duration in which Indian Standard Time?
5 hours 3 minutes.
Means हमारा इंडिया का टाइम है वो
5 hours 3 minutes.
5 hours 30 minutes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now again sharing the screen from here. You all have to read answers from the screen. Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया? 36 to 50. Sorry, 31 to 50. Chalo, start reading and everyone please.
No, ma'am. It's loading.
Everyone please.
The screen is loading. Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
But you are just load.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Mute yourself. No one will speak a single word.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, I can see yours. I see your screen, ma'am. मैम
Yes.
जो नकल है उसकी वर्कशीट पूरी का डाली मीन्स 100 क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दिया मैंने, उसकी वर्कशीट कर
Good.
दी।
कढ़ाई नहीं निकाली। Speak proper English at least. We will solve it in the class. Not right now. Next week. I mean SS के next week. हमारी आज हमने थर्ड चैप्टर किया ना, 4th and 7th 2 और रिमेनिंग, राइट। उसके बाद भी हमारे पास 2 एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर्स बचेंगे। तो इन सब चैप्टर्स में जो होमवर्क में भी है ना, सब हम दोनों लेक्चर्स में सॉल्व करेंगे। लास्ट लेक्चर। चलो, एवरीवन डन विद दिस मच बेटा? इज एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस मच?
नो मैम। मैम 15 का आंसर नहीं दिख रहा। 50 का। मैम 50 वाले नहीं दिख रहा। Now I can. का स्क्रीनशॉट पाड़े? No.
Sure. Now everyone can leave the meeting. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye ma'am. Bye bye.